Watch this video to the end if you really want to understand what ratio is all about. So I will ignore this question and explain what ratio means before we go back to answer this. Now, what is ratio? What is it all about? For example, if you are given 120 books, okay, you are the class prefects in your class and you are given 120 books to share amongst boys and girls. Now, the ratio of boys to girls is it's in the ratio of, let's say, 2:3. I'm coming now. What this simply means is that, most often when you come to the class, the number of girls is always higher than the number of boys. So this book, you are not supposed to share it equally between boys and girls. If not, some girls may not be able to get the book. Now, the person said you should share it, having looked at the number of girls and the boys, he said you should share this in the ratio of 2:3. Now, this 2 and 3 is telling you the number of equal parts you need to share the 120 books into, first of all. Now, this is what I mean. The total shares here, the total number of shares to start with is what? 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. I'm coming, just keep mute. Now, we have 5 equal shares. So it means that when you get this 120 books, you first of all divide it into 5 equal parts. Okay, now we have 120 books. Let's divide it into 5 equal parts and see what each part will give us, right? So we have 5 divide this, we have 2 remainder, 2 divide 20, we have 4. So it means that we are going to have 24 books in piles, 5 places, right? So we're going to have 24 into 5 places, 24. This will 24 books, this is another 24 books, this is another 24 books, this is another 24 books. Now, if you add this to this to this to this to this, you will get 120 books. Now, you have shared it into 5 equal parts. Are you with me? That is the meaning of 2:3. Now, the person said share it into 5 equal parts, but remember that the number of girls is bigger than the number of boys. So the boys will come and pack 2 out of these 5 shares. Do you now understand? Yes, the boys will come and pack 2 out of these 5 shares. So the boys will come and pick these 2. So it's going to be 24 plus 24, which will give us what? 48. Or another way to do it is 2 times, remember that each of these equal shares, that is one part of it is 24. So you just say 2 times that 24, which will give you 48. Now, the remaining 3 parts is what the girls will pack. So they are going to pack 3 parts of that equal shares. So it's going to be, they are going to pack the whole 3. That is 24 plus 24 plus 24, which is same thing as 3 times 24. Okay, and this will give us 3 times 4 is 12 carry 1, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 7. So you have 72. So in total, the boys will pack 48 books, while the girls will take 72 books and share amongst them. So that is what a ratio is all about. Now, in my next video, I'm going to solve this particular question. So stay tuned and I'll meet you there.